I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable access to Siri while your iPhone or iPad is locked. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down this menu and then tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode or password if prompted. You'll land on the Face ID and Passcode screen. Step 2. Scroll down this menu to the Allow Access When Locked section and then tap to toggle off Siri. Siri can no longer be accessed when your iPhone or iPad is locked going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.